Welcome viewers. Previous President Donald Trump's legitimate group has taken a striking action to excuse charges in a government political decision disruption case and eliminate notices of the January 6 assault from the prosecution. As per CNN on October 24, 2023, the case, which rotates around charges of endeavoring to sabotage the 2020 official political decision results, has been a point of convergence of fights in court since Trump left office. As we proceed with this video, please take out a minute of your precious time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates from us. Trump's lawyers contend that the charges against their client need legitimate premise and that the consideration of references to the January 6 assault on the U.S. Legislative Hall is biased and unessential to the center charges. They battled that Trump's post-political race way of talking, while questionable, was safeguarded by the primary correction and hence ought not be dependent upon criminal accusations. The lawful group's methodology depends on testing the defendability of the charges, expecting to forestall a preliminary through and through. The move comes when Trump's political desires stay a subject of public talk. His allies see these official actions as politically spurred, while his doubters view them as a fundamental stage towards responsibility for the occasions paving the way to and following the January 6 assault. The government political race disruption case is only one of a few legitimate difficulties that Trump has looked since leaving the administration. While certain examinations have been centered around his transactions, others have focused on his activities connected with the 2020 political decision. Trump's lawful group has reliably contended that these examinations are politically inspired and are important for a more extensive work to discolor his heritage. Notwithstanding, legitimate specialists bring up that the charges in this specific case are huge. They spin around charges that Trump endeavored to constrain state authorities to upset political race results, which some contend could be an infringement of government regulation. The prosecution claims that Trump's activities were a piece of a coordinated work to undermine the desire of the citizens and sabotage the uprightness of the discretionary interaction. The consideration of references to the January 6 assault in the prosecution involves conflict. Trump's legitimate group guarantees that these references are biased and effectively pollute the jury pool by partner their client with a vicious occasion that occurred after the political race. Examiners, then again, contend that the assault is straightforwardly applicable to understanding the setting in which Trump's supposed activities occurred. The fight in court over the charges and the prosecution is supposed to be extended and firmly watched by the country. It brings up significant issues about the constraints of free discourse and the responsibility of well-known people for their activities and articulations. Moreover, it highlights the profound